What if I told you that the exhaustion you feel every morning, the declining performance that's quietly eroding your confidence, and that gradual withdrawal from intimacy aren't inevitable parts of aging? What if these frustrating changes aren't about getting older at all, but rather about three specific nutritional deficiencies that are silently sabotaging your vitality right now? In the next few minutes, I'm going to share something that might fundamentally change how you think about your health. And more importantly, I'll show you exactly how to reverse symptoms you may have accepted as permanent. Stay with me, because what you're about to discover could be the turning point you've been searching for. I'm Dr. Samra Turajilic, and for over 15 years, I've specialized exclusively in men's health, working with thousands of men navigating the complex physiological changes that occur after 50. Throughout my career, I've witnessed something remarkable. Men who felt defeated by their declining energy and performance experienced profound transformations, not through expensive treatments or pharmaceutical interventions, but through addressing fundamental nutritional gaps their bodies were desperately signaling. Let me be absolutely clear about something from the start. If you're experiencing reduced morning vitality, persistent fatigue that sleep doesn't resolve, or a diminishing interest in physical intimacy, this isn't a character flaw, and it's not simply about aging. What you're experiencing is your body sending you urgent messages that three critical nutrients have fallen below the threshold necessary for optimal male function. The encouraging news, the truly exciting news, is that these deficiencies are remarkably responsive to targeted intervention. Before we continue, I need you to understand something crucial. Later in this presentation, I'm going to reveal the single most common mistake men make when addressing these deficiencies, a mistake so prevalent and so destructive that it prevents the vast majority of men from experiencing any meaningful improvement whatsoever. This error can completely nullify your efforts and leave you more frustrated than when you started. I'll show you exactly how to avoid this pitfall and ensure that every step you take actually moves you toward restoration and vitality. If this is your first time here, I encourage you to subscribe and activate notifications, because this channel exists for one purpose: to provide men over 50 with science-backed, clinically proven strategies to reclaim the health and confidence that should be your birthright at any age. And if what I'm saying resonates with your experience, type yes in the comments section. Your engagement helps me understand that we're addressing the challenges that matter most to you. Let's begin with a fact that surprises many. Most symptoms men experience after 50, fatigue, low libido, weaker erections, and that nagging sense of not feeling like yourself, are often linked to deficiencies in just a few key nutrients. These aren't exotic miracle pills. They're foundational vitamins your body depends on, and when levels drop, the effects ripple through every aspect of your health. In this video, I'll walk you through the top 3 vitamins every man over 50 should know about, explain the science behind their impact, and reveal the most common mistake men make when supplementing, one that can undermine all your efforts. I'll also show you how to avoid this pitfall and build a simple, sustainable routine that can help you feel revitalized, starting tonight. If you're ready to take control of your health, subscribe and turn on notifications. This channel is dedicated to men who refuse to settle for decline and are ready to thrive. If this message resonates with you, let me know in the comments. Now, let's get started. The first vitamin is one of the most overlooked keys to restoring natural blood flow and performance in men over 50, vitamin D. While commonly associated with bone health, recent research has revealed that vitamin D is a powerful regulator of cardiovascular function, immune health, and hormone production. A 2022 review in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that men with optimal vitamin D levels had significantly better erectile function and higher testosterone compared to those who were deficient. Here's why. Vitamin D acts as a catalyst for nitric oxide production, the molecule responsible for relaxing and widening blood vessels. This process is essential for healthy circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your brain, muscles, and sexual organs. When vitamin D is low, arteries become stiffer, blood flow is restricted, and energy levels plummet. Unfortunately, as we age, our skin's ability to synthesize vitamin D from sunlight declines sharply, a phenomenon well documented in clinical studies. Even men who spend time outdoors may not produce enough. The solution is straightforward. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes of morning sunlight on your arms and face whenever possible. Include fatty fish like salmon or tuna in your diet, as they are rich in vitamin D. If you live in northern latitudes, have darker skin, or spend most of your time indoors, a high-quality vitamin D3 supplement is the most reliable way to restore optimal levels. D3, or cholecalciferol, is the form your body naturally produces and absorbs best. I've seen men who struggled to finish a brisk walk regain their stamina and zest for life simply by correcting a vitamin D deficiency. Think of vitamin D as the foundation, opening your circulation and priming your body for real improvement. But even with improved blood flow, your body needs fuel to keep going. That brings us to the second essential nutrient, vitamin B12, often called the energy vitamin. B12 is crucial for converting the food you eat into usable energy and for maintaining a healthy nervous system. According to a 2023 study in Nutrients, B12 deficiency is common in older adults, even among those who eat a balanced diet, due to decreased absorption with age. I recall a patient, 58 years old, who came to my clinic exhausted despite sleeping well and eating right. He described classic symptoms of B12 deficiency: afternoon fatigue, mental fog, and a lack of motivation. Without enough B12, your body cannot produce enough red blood cells to carry oxygen efficiently, leaving your muscles and brain starved for fuel. This impacts not only your physical energy, but also your cognitive sharpness and sexual vitality. After 50, the stomach produces less intrinsic factor, a protein needed to absorb B12 from food. That means even if you eat meat or eggs, you may still be deficient. The fix is simple. Supplement with methylcobalamin or adenosylcobalamin, the active forms of B12 that your body can use immediately. In more severe cases, B12 injections may be necessary. Within weeks, my patient reported renewed alertness, improved mood, and a return of his drive, both in and out of the bedroom. B12 doesn't just refill your energy tank, it clears your mind and helps you show up fully for the people who matter most. Now let's talk about protection. Even with good circulation and energy, your progress can be sabotaged by silent inflammation, a major driver of aging and disease. That's where the third vitamin comes in, vitamin E. Often called the fertility vitamin, vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that shields your blood vessels, reproductive tissues, and hormone-producing glands from oxidative stress. A 2021 meta-analysis in Frontiers in Endocrinology confirmed that vitamin E supplementation improves vascular health, supports testosterone levels, and reduces markers of inflammation in aging men. Every day, your cells are bombarded by free radicals, unstable molecules that cause gradual wear and tear. Vitamin E neutralizes these threats, keeping your arteries supple and your hormone levels stable. This is critical because healthy erections and libido depend not just on desire, but on responsive blood vessels and balanced hormones. When testosterone drops, it affects not only sexual performance, but also motivation, confidence, and mood. Vitamin E is easy to obtain from food. A handful of almonds or sunflower seeds, a drizzle of olive oil, or leafy greens like spinach provide ample amounts. If your diet is inconsistent, look for a natural vitamin E supplement labeled mixed tocopherols to ensure you're getting the full spectrum your body needs. Men who add vitamin E often notice faster recovery, sharper thinking, and a renewed enthusiasm for life's activities. Over time, vitamin E helps lock in the gains you achieve from vitamin D and B12, protecting your progress for the long term. Now, what happens when you combine all three? The effect is synergistic. Vitamin D opens the blood highways, B12 fuels those highways with oxygen, and vitamin E preserves their flexibility and hormonal balance. Together, they create what I call the virility triangle: circulation, energy, and hormonal support, each amplifying the others. When these are in balance, you wake up rested, think clearly, move confidently, and rediscover your natural spark. But here's the critical point. Most men never experience these benefits because they make a crucial mistake, assuming all supplements are created equal. This is simply not true. Many over-the-counter vitamins use cheap, synthetic forms that your body cannot absorb or utilize effectively. For example, most generic B12 supplements use cyanocobalamin, which is poorly converted in older adults. You want methylcobalamin or adenosylcobalamin. For vitamin D, avoid D2, ergocalciferol, and choose D3, cholecalciferol, the form your body recognizes. For vitamin E, avoid synthetic alpha tocopherol and look for natural mixed tocopherols. Another common pitfall is inconsistency. Your body needs a steady, daily supply of these nutrients, just like a plant needs regular watering. Sporadic supplementation simply won't deliver results. Choose high-quality, well-absorbed supplements and take them consistently every day. That's how you build lasting energy, healthy blood flow, and balanced hormones, not with random pills or wishful thinking. Let me share a practical routine inspired by a patient named Mike, age 65. We didn't overhaul his life, we built small, sustainable habits. Each morning, Mike starts his day with a full glass of water and takes his B12 supplement with a protein-rich breakfast. After breakfast, he spends 10-15 minutes in the morning sun, or takes a D3 supplement with lunch during winter. Throughout the day, he snacks on almonds or sunflower seeds and adds olive oil to his meals for vitamin E. No complicated regimens, just a few deliberate choices done consistently. Within weeks, Mike reported more energy for his grandkids, sharper focus at work, and renewed confidence in the bedroom. Before we close, I want to speak directly to you. If you've ever wondered whether it's too late to feel strong, alive, and fully present again, let me assure you, it's not. You've built a life, a career, a family, a legacy. Wanting your body to keep up is not weakness. It's a sign that you care about living fully. Your body is still responsive. It just needs the right signals. We've covered 3 essential vitamins: vitamin D, the circulation catalyst; vitamin B12, the energy generator; and vitamin E, the defender of your vessels and hormones. These are not just nutrients. They are tools to help you reclaim your vitality. I've seen men in their 60s and 70s feel better than they have in decades by following this advice. You still have time to turn things around. Every small effort counts. So give yourself permission to take back control of your health. Your body and your loved ones will thank you. If you found this information helpful, please like and share this video with someone who deserves to feel better too. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Your feedback shapes future content for our community. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on notifications. Together, we can redefine what life after 50 looks like: strong, confident, and full of vitality. Thank you for taking this first step. Your best years can still be ahead.